Good morning. Let's go over here and see how this thing's turning out. That's Ymir. He's a new guy here. He does pretty good work. Looks like he had a respray right there. Probably burned too. The same here. Look how shiny that dude is. That's new gel coat there, baby. We got a little tape. Yeah, it's some tape guts. Look how shiny that is. What? A little more. This area hadn't been touched. That's original. Man, that's a lot of sanding, Ymir. Got a little burn through. Gonna have to respray these. It happens. A couple of plays, you're gonna have a few, man. It's just the way it is. Yeah, a little bit. Yep. That sucks, but yeah. Well, you know, it is what it is. It takes a little time to get it right. And anyway, a little bit of respraying, a little bit more careful sanding because he didn't put the gel coat on real thick. But I'm gonna tell you what, that looks really, really good. If the rest of it turns out that shiny and covered, that's super cool. Anyway, nice cool day to be sanding.